Haven't made one of these in a little bit. Let's go. YouTube, SK Nation, STEFFKICKS family. It's your boy, it's your guy, it's your homie STEFFKICKS, and I'm back at it with another video. Say it with me. You good? What's up? Everybody knows me as the guy who wears Timbs in the winter. So I decided to switch it up a little bit this year. I'm still gonna be wearing Timbs, but for the casual look, anybody who needs to know what kind of boots to wear, I got you. I did a little bit of research on some boots, found the perfect pair made by Vans, so let's get into it. But before we do that, you guys know we gotta take care of business. If you're a SK Nation member and you're returning to the channel, thank you so much for coming back. But if this is your first time here, when you join the nation, you get the hottest information on all the newest releases every month. You get mall vlogs, SneakerCon vlogs, unboxings, and reviews. If that's something you're interested in, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel down low. Now let's go. I've already got my toque ready for the winter time. So as I said in the outset, everybody knows that I wear Timbs in the winter. No sneakers allowed. So I ended up picking up a pair of SK8-Hi Vans. On the tag, it says SK8-Hi Del Pato. I wear a 9.5. Let's see what's in the box. The SK8-Hi Del was released quite a while ago, but Vans seems to keep coming out with more colorways, most likely because the general public loves them so much. They were originally released in a black and white colorway, also a gray and white colorway. Right off top, it's quite a stylish boot. I saw these ones were on sale at a local shoe store, so I decided to pick them up. As far as details on the shoe, you have your duck boot style toe box here on the front. It's one of the details that I like the most, especially when you're wearing sneakers and you're looking down at your feet. I love how that looks. I don't know about you guys, but it's very important to me as to how my sneaker looks when I look down. I was feeling how it looked, so I copped it. Have a rubber midsole that's very sturdy for the winter. I can tell my feet will be very warm and well taken care of. Doesn't seem like there's any seams that would allow any water to get inside the boot, and that's very important, especially if I'm not wearing Timbs, because I know with Timbs I don't have to worry about that. It goes all the way around the shoe. On the back, you have your off-the-wall Vans skateboard symbol. Let's not forget your vulcanized lugged outsole with the reverse waffle design. This way, the traction on the shoe should be crazy. As far as the upper goes, you have a Scotch Guard treated canvas on the outside, stitched very well. The material seems to be very weather friendly and very sturdy. The insole has this fleece type of material feeling. Seems like it would keep my feet very warm, and that's very important. One thing I also love is the matching color stitching. I'm not that much of a fan of a different color stitching, so the fact that they kept it true to color, I love that. Also the Vans flag on the outside. Nice little touch with the Vans writing in brown. A heel pull tab on the back just to make sure that the shoe gets on easily. That's a nice touch because sometimes it gets pretty difficult to get boots on, especially if you're wearing Timbs. Sometimes if you leave them tied and like to slip in and slip out, it can get a little difficult to put them on. Side note, a really nice addition to this sneaker is there's these rubber tabs on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. But once any materials, water, or anything of that nature goes into the shoe, it slides right out the front of the boot onto the rubber and back out. You don't get any wetness, keeps your foot dry. So unless you step into an ankle deep puddle or a high amount of snow, you really won't get anything in your boot. And I know we talked about it already. I just want to mention a little more on the warmth of the shoe. From doing a little bit of research, there is what's called a heat retention layer between the sock liner and the outside of the boot. It ensures, again, that your feet stay warm at all times, especially if you're wearing a thicker sock. What an amazing design from Vans. I salute you guys. I know we mentioned the toe box already, but the SK8-Hi has a reinforced toe cap for durability purposes and allows you to go hiking, long walks, anywhere that's gonna have rough terrain, rough areas for you to walk around in. Very, very important. From trying them on, I did notice that they fit true to size. They are also 100% waterproof. I just don't think that there's any more protection that this boot can offer me. I think I made the right choice. And one last thing, the laces are also 3M reflective, so that if you're ever hiking or walking around in terrain weather, in the woods, wherever you are, you can somewhat be seen at some point through your boot. Vans got it together, bro. And after that, the shoe is complete. Whoa, hold on a second. Okay. SK Nation, hold on. I got some very important news for you guys. Now, I know the holidays have already passed, but when it comes to gifts, is it ever too late to buy somebody something? I don't think so. I got some information I think you might want to. Ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, moms, dads, uncles, aunties, I hope you're all listening. I think it's true to say that most people like jewelry. I know I do. I wear mine every day. And sometimes it's not always as affordable as everyone wants it to be. Look no further. I've recently partnered up with a company called Helloice. You may have heard of them. They're all over IG, Twitter. They everywhere. When they reached out to me, I was super excited to pick a piece that I liked. I skimmed through their website and picked something, and they sent it out to me right away. Let's open the box. Now, of course, I've already opened it. It comes in this beautiful little pouch. Let's open this up. Now, most of you don't know this about me, but I'm a gamer. I don't have a Twitch or anything like that. I play a lot of 2K. I play a lot of FIFA. I've recently started playing a little bit of Call of Duty, some Warfare. But when it comes to 2K, FIFA, first of all, you can't see me. Comment down below what your gamer tag is, and let's get it. They sent out a nice little piece. It's of a PlayStation controller. It comes with the chain. The gold is immaculate. Diamonds on the inside. It even says Sony on the controller. That's crazy. Big shout out to Helloice for sending this over. I really appreciate this, guys. Thank you so much. I highly recommend you guys go check out their website as well as their IG, place an order. They have a wide selection of a whole bunch of different designs, all different categories from sports to cartoons, movies, all different categories where you can get custom jewelry. Go check them out as soon as you can. Place an order, and of course, tell them STEFFKICKS sent you. Helloice, I salute you. Thank you. STEFFKICKS family, SK Nation, YouTube, you guys are much appreciated for tuning into the video today. I know I've been MIA for a little bit, but there's been a lot of positive changes, a lot of things going on, so please bear with me. There is more content coming. I know I told you guys that we were gonna get to some reaction videos, but do not worry, those are on the way as well. I appreciate everybody who DMs me on Twitter, on IG to ask where the reaction videos are. Don't worry, they are on the way, I promise you. One last big shout out to KissMySoles, a local Toronto brand. You guys make sure you go check them out as well. I'll link them down below. Follow them on IG. I think it's really important to support homegrown talent and homegrown companies so that we can all grow together. If you're ever in the Toronto area, go check them out and get your drip right. Thank you guys once again so much for tuning in. Please make sure that you hit the like button. Go subscribe to the channel. Everything that you guys can do for the channel helps it grow. Thank you so much. We are almost at our goal of 4K. We didn't so much hit our goal for the end of the year, but that's okay. We're gonna keep growing and keep pushing. Thank you guys so much for tuning in as we reviewed the Vans SK8-Hi boots. Can't wait to put these on feet. Shout out once again to Helloice for the jewelry drip. And with all that said, it's your boy STEFFKICKS. And as we always say, shoe love is true love. And I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Yeah.